But until now, we are still here in the sea fishing.
So look how much. Yes. Yes, look. Annalie, look, it's so dangerous. You see? Look at this. Look, it's in the sand. The thingy, the bobber.
The what? The what? Come here, come here.
The bobber.
The bobber?
Yeah, there's
Si bobber.
There's a red bobber there.
Bob wire?
A bobber. A bobber is so interesting.
Bob wire.
George, go to the back. Shoot Bob wire. Okay, you also go to the back.
Me, I know. Not like you.
Okay, talk,
You
talk.
stop tapping on the fishing rod.
That little boy is so talkative. Oh, till now, Joy, oh, there's a lot of people swimming there. Did you see the people there? There's a beach there. Yun. Yun, nandoon na may light. It's a beach. And here also, there's a beach. Wow, it's a bar. Fishing. It's a big rock behind this next to this wall. It's so let us see. No, you want? Why you are going there? It's dirty, the barbed wire. Come here.
What? This is the jail.
What is the jail? If you shoot your eyes here, what is the jail? You will see. They don't have eyes in the market to replace your eyes.
You want?
Hikig ulo, mga bata. Diyos ko Lord, nakakaparanin. Yan, may nag-fishing na matanda. Oh, the fishing boat. It's a fishing boat. Oh, it's a blackfish.
Hey, for me! No, for me! What's this? China!
Sama kita.
It's a blackfish.
Put it!
It's Khreev.
Shileya,
Don't touch it!
Ha? Kuaday, kuaday.
Don't
Ang
touch
fish.
it! Lily! It's spiky! It's not
What is that?
spiky.
حط لها شوي مي لقايا وحطوا
They put
لها
water for me.
ولا ايه مي
But
باردة.
the bucket is so dirty water. They put bread. Spiky!
It's okay, Gaya.
Ma, I don't know how.
Gaya, it's too much water from the bucket. You don't know how?
Yes, it would spill everywhere. Stop!
Mm.
Guy, your peacock.
Okay.
Guy, your peacock glass.
It's a blackfish.
They will all die. Yeah, what's in his mouth? A fish.
After that, they will not eat it. They will throw it away.